In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. Checkboxes are a quick, reliable way to track tasks, mark yes or no decisions, and make your spreadsheets more interactive. They're easy to add, and once they're in your sheet, you can use them for everything from to-do lists to progress tracking. Start by opening Google Sheets in your web browser and loading the spreadsheet where you want to work. You can use an existing file or create a new blank one. As long as you're signed in, your changes will save automatically so you won't lose your work. Next, click the cell where you want the checkbox to appear. If you want multiple checkboxes, select Arrange Now. This could be a single column, a row, or a rectangular block of cells. When you insert the checkbox, Sheets will place one in every selected cell, which is a great time saver for long lists. If your labels are close to the checkboxes, consider widening the column a bit so everything looks clean. You can also center the checkbox in the cell if you prefer, though that's optional. With your cell or range selected, go to the top menu and click Insert. From that menu, choose Checkbox. You'll see a checkbox appear immediately in the selected cell. If you selected multiple cells, each one will get its own checkbox in a single click. Using the checkbox is simple. Click once to check it and click again to uncheck it. Behind the scenes, Google Sheets stores these as logical values. True when checked and false when unchecked. That means you can reference checkbox cells in formulas, build summaries, or filter lists based on whether items are done. For example, you can count checked items to show progress and even drive conditional formatting to highlight completed rows. If you need to add checkboxes down a long list, insert one, then drag the small fill handle at the bottom right corner of the cell to copy the checkbox down or across. This won't overwrite nearby text, it simply places checkboxes in the cells you drag over. On smaller screens, the insert option may appear under a More menu, but the flow is the same. Select your cell or range, choose Insert, then Checkbox. And that's it. Open your sheet, select the cell or range, go to Insert, and choose Checkbox. In just a few clicks, you've turned a plain list into a functional checklist that's easy to update and ready for formulas, filters, and reporting.